Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Self Drive Pro, which is the first to market technology that lets you create your own self drive storage and even transfer files between multiple storage platforms from one single dashboard with no prior coding or technical skills required. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 50 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $10,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.